Very warm welcome to all of you out there. I'm Gaurav Issa, working with LKP Securities Limited. Nifty as well as Bank Nifty has been trading with a negative bias, although if you look at the intraday charts, they have not been doing too much and consolidating basically. So on closing basis, yes, we did correct, but overall we have not been seeing too much of action during the day, and that makes the proper levels going ahead to play for all the more important. If you look at Nifty index, it's stuck in the tight range. 14,220 to 25 is acting as a good support area. On the other hand, 14,450 to 14,480. This is where a good hurdle has been seen in Nifty spot index. So as long as it is trading below, between this range, there's nothing that one can do. A break of either of these data points can result in a fresh move. Till then, I would be cautious. I would not be doing too much, and I would still say that as long as the Nifty index is between the range, uh, avoid the trading on a very aggressive note. For Bank Nifty, things are slightly different for the reason that Bank Nifty has seen a drop from the falling trend line resistance area, and this has been proving to be a very difficult area to cross. Currently, this area is placed at levels of 32,000. On hourly chart, this is where the span B resistance is also placed, so that is going to be quite difficult to cross. Once this level is crossed, one can expect some further upside. Till the time it does not do that, any rise towards these levels can be utilized to create fresh short positions. On the other hand, 30,500, 30,700 is acting as a immediate support area, so that is going to be the broad range for Bank Nifty as well. It's a sudden rise purely based on rising trend line. And for Nifty, as I said, wait for the levels of 14,480 to break or 14,225 to break. Then one can take a trade in a respective direction. That will be from our side. Thank you.